What do you think about that later? Huh? Is that it or is that not it?
Oh, really? Is that a fact, Jack? Is that a fact?
Tell me more. I don't believe you. I don't believe I heard that the first time. I don't believe I heard that the first time.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you got yourself on that one. Is that so? Is that so?
You can only last so long without just snuggling him after he does something like that. Huh? Oh, boy. What do you think? Huh?
That took a lot out of me. I'm tired.
Figure that out. It did.
What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Are you excited that it's Friday?
Big weekend, dude.
See, it's Halloween weekend.
Dad's gonna paint my eyebrows in.
I think it's gonna be funny. Oh, my skeleton outfit on. Yeah. Oh, yeah? What do you think? Say, Mom, stop asking me that. You ask me that every morning.
Yeah.
Every morning. Hi. Hi. Are you excited for a pumpkin carving party tomorrow? Well, I'm done talking now.
All done.
All done?
All done.
Huh.
Relax, Sadie.
Huh.
Yeah, see, I think I'm going to suck on my fingers for a little bit while I think about what I'm going to say next. Maybe it'll be nothing at all. Maybe it'll be something you never know. Just pointing out that iPad camera of yours, Sadie.
And done.